How to log into Hulu account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're going to see the search box, type in Hulu login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, hulu.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now here you're going to see the option of sign up for Hulu only. Click on that option. Now click on the option of login. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your Hulu account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your email address and then click on continue. Now type in your password. If you have any issues logging into your account, click on this option. With that, your problem will be resolved. After you type in your password, click on login, and just with that, you will be logged into your Hulu account. So this way you can easily log into your Hulu account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.